Okay, let's test the stream. Yet. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. Testing the sound. I'm back. Sorry. But good. Okay, so I'm streaming right now from Twitch, Twitter, and YouTube.
Hey, I'm Joey, and
Sorry, there were some ads here. Let me just switch my microphone. Sorry. Click. Okay, I'm also on Somnium Space Discord channel. I'm gonna log in there. There. Screen sharing. Okay. We are ready to go. So, hello. I'm Denivro from the Somnium Space community. And today is Create Our Sunday stream. Like every week. And oh, there is some background feedback.
Sorry, that's me. Wait, let me fix it.
Thank you. So every week I stream at Sunday regarding Somnium Space creative content. Most of the time it's around words, Somnium Space words. It could be avatars, it could be building, stuff around that. But since words is a very high block of skills, I feel that there is a lot of things I can teach to people and show. And I'm also learning myself. So let's do this. Main scene, there is. Okay. If I do anything very interesting, I may record it. I would like to continue my AI development that I've been working on for a few weeks. Let's see, where was I? We discovered last week that we can use nav mesh in Somnium Space, but we have to configure it. So I would like to try to test this, in fact, because it will solve so many problems. Hello, Virtual Hour, hello kids. How are you doing today?
Fantastic. How are you
Doing
guys?
well.
Any other special demands?
No, I mean, this is just amazing. Thank you, bro.
So you talked today a little about developing web games.
Yeah,
Is the feature released?
Yeah, it just released. I'm like using it right now. I'm looking through the GitLab and
I see. I will probably check it out later this week, but I'm very busy with right now. So okay, let me just find my scene to work with. I always put all my own stuff in the hashtag local folder for simplifying. I mean, if I have to export anything, it's simpler. Evo, dev. Thank you, dev. Yes. NPC dev. Okay. So last week I was playing with this, trying to improve the AI part. Let me open Somnium Space too. I love to test it in Somnium Space so it's not too heavy for you to watch. I will try to I was about to say I will try to be not too much technical, but you know, I think that's just not possible. But I will try my best in even then. Okay, first of all, Somnium space noise, and then just wait it for stopping. Good, it's finished. Secondly, we will need to bake the nav mesh. What is a nav mesh? A nav mesh in Unity is the straightforward way to make an NPC move in the environment, and we detect the best path to go to his target. It's all built in. You don't have to think too much about the algorithms and blah blah blah. It's all built in. It's not like what I was doing in the last week. Let me just validate that my sound is working. It's not like what I was. Okay, good, perfect. Sorry. Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down, calm down. Okay. So, if I'm correct, what I need to do is to send every physical object that I want to bake in the nav mesh, and then I will be able to bake it. Let's go. First of all, environment. Here, I love to separate here NPC dev. This is all my kind of scene. All the rest is just for testing purpose. I love to separate my stuff in categories. Environment, everything that don't move and is static. And yeah, let's try. Let's put the script here in environment for baking. Bolt flow machine, and I'm not gonna do embedded. I'll always save the script because you will have funny things happening. Do I already have some kind of folder I could use that would save me some time? Okay, this is... Oh, let's create a new one. Local module. I just will talk about my folder hierarchy again. Every single of my file that I own and use in local. Everything that is an add-on elsewhere. Then I have modules, everything that is modular. And if I have a project, I just create some other folders. So I'm gonna go to module, and I'm gonna create a new one. New folder. Don't try to think too much about hierarchy, it's just... And then there's no end for organizing. Module... Nav mesh maybe? I don't know. Let's start with that. Okay, right click, show in Explorer. I need to save the path. Oh, sorry, nav mesh. Save the path. Yes, because when you save a script, it start the search here to the asset folder. That's just annoying. So I passed my path and I bake nav mesh. Great. Okay, so how is it gonna work? I'm guessing this is nav mesh will be baked in game, so probably on start even. Nav mesh. Let me just go to the Unity documentation. It's just gonna be faster. Unity manual. I prefer having the right version, just not to have feature that doesn't exist. Nav mesh. There. Okay. I guess there's no E. Nav mesh link modifier. The agent is for moving, like the avatar. Modifier. What is a modifier? Huh. Nav mesh base. Nav mesh. Nav mesh. Bake setting. Nah. Damn it. Creating offset. Blah blah blah. Let's try Google. Bake nav mesh. I just want to have the building a nav mesh. Nope. In-game. In-game. Building a nav mesh. Okay, it's the same thing again. I can just try to find it. I just didn't type bake. Or build? Nav mesh builder. Okay. Build nav mesh data. Build settings, source, local. Okay. It started to make sense. And okay, good. That's what I need. No need for doc. Nav mesh build setting. Tool, bolt, multi option, next. Do I have it? Nav mesh build setting. Nav mesh build source, nav mesh build setting. Oh, it's already there. Sorry. I already added all the necessary class in bold. I just forgot. I just did not try it yet. Nav mesh build setting. Let's see what we have. Agent climb, agent height. I guess I need some height. 2 meters. Oh, I prefer to do it in this, yeah, bottom up. Nav mesh build setting. Add agent radius. Radius 0.5 maybe. It's gonna be big, but that's fine. Nav mesh build setting. Slope. Not sure what this is. Type debug mean region. I don't know. I don't know. I guess there's default values. I hope.
I'm pretty sure slope is like how high.
Yeah. I mean, sorry. It's not that I don't know what it will mean, but I'm like, do I need to set everything? You know?
Right.
Forgot the name. Nav mesh build. Nav build. Nav mesh. Oh, nav mesh builder. Nav mesh builder. Okay.
Maybe try adding a space with the builder. Nav mesh and then builder.
Mesh. Yes. Nav mesh. Just nav mesh, and then we will get the nav mesh. Ah, damn it. That's not that. I just want to find the base nav mesh thingy. Nav mesh agent. You know what? We will figure it out, I guess. Okay. We have build setting. Then we need source. This, if I remember correctly, nav mesh build source. Nav mesh build source. New nav mesh build source. Nav mesh build source. Components, shapes, size, transform, area, components, shape, size, source. Nav mesh build source. Nav mesh build source. Please, Unity doc, let me.
Bro, you put Shorsh. Nav mesh
Really?
build Shorsh without the H.
I may have a link to a tutorial I found that I just did not use yet. Blah blah blah. Nah. I don't find it. Nah, whatever. I'm very bad at typing. Okay, source, nav, mesh, build. Oh, this. Not sure. Let's just try, I guess. It's a list, so nav mesh build source. Nav mesh build. Ah, of course there's no. Bolt is very weird sometimes. Okay. Nav mesh, of course. Nav mesh build source. Nav mesh build source. Okay. I'm gonna try to add like 2 objects maybe. I think you have to add differently mesh and black box collider. Ah. Let's see if we have some comments. Probably not. Did it crash or something? Streaming. Don't find the stream on Twitter. Is there? Hi Twitter people. Oh yeah, it's green. There's green juice here. Great. Yes. Nav mesh build source. What? What? I'm so confused. You know what? I just generic list will do it too. Add this item. Okay. Second part is this. Adding. Oh yeah, I need to add something to it. Yes. Nav mesh build source. Not sure what area I mean. Component. Shape. Bolt is always hiding the what's down. It's annoying. Source object. Transform. Size. Shape. That's a lot of information. Does he need my credit card too? Component. Okay, let me just check very fast. Unity. Bolt.
So Denevero, I actually found the tutorial that you posted and I'm looking through it.
Oh, good. Can you send it to me?
Oh yeah, for sure. It's like literally in the chat here.
Sorry.
I'll put it in the chat. I'm gonna paste
chat?
it. If you go to the art and chill and then you put your mouse above the art where it says art and chill, on the right you'll see open chat and then
okay.
And I'm looking through the code. There's a navigation baker, and then he's got a directed agent.
Why it's flickering like this? Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. Nav mesh baker. So what it's doing is, okay, I have nav mesh surface. Nav mesh surface. What? Transform object to rotate.
Yeah, I think this works in conjunction with the nav mesh agent code that's on the top. But that's
Yeah,
just
I'm just trying to bake it first. Build nav mesh. Build nav mesh surface.
I don't understand the objects to rotate part. What
I
is?
guess we will figure it out somehow.
Yeah.
That's not the same code I'm using. Here it's nav mesh builder. Oh wait, is this from? I need to be very careful because okay, you see here Unity Engine. That's fine. But if it's Unity Editor, you'd never touch to those nodes.
Why?
Unity Editor nodes are not available in play
Oh,
mode.
those are only inside while you're like doing stuff in the editor, so you could run the code.
Yeah, I mean you can make a full editor's application, you know.
Right. Cool.
Sorry. Where was I? Okay, let's start by trying all they do it. But that's weird. Oh, they built the nav mesh for each of the nav mesh surface. But then they are all Unity Engine. That's good. Okay, let's try this. I guess nothing to lose. But just time. Bolt. Oh no, I need to add stuff on Bolt. Nav mesh surface. Let's go. Let's go. Why? It's not there. Wait, is it the right? Oh wait, is it a like? What's the Unity version they are using? Oh, 2000. Oh, is it why I sent you?
Yeah, this is what you put.
That's way outdated.
Oh.
That's super outdated. 2017. Whoa. I'm supposing it's still possible, but let's try it how we can. But I'm not sure I can use those things.
Cool.
Because
so basically the process is we on start we have to create the nav mesh agent.
Oh look, I think I've seen surface here. No, sorry, never mind.
Cool.
What's area? I don't know. Commandant area. I'm like, what? Let's return here. Nav mesh builder. Collect source.
Cool. Geometry.
Oh, this one will generate the nav mesh build source I need. Include word bound. Oh, that may be interesting if I don't need to think about bound. Center and size. 50, 50, 50. Okay. Whoa. Hold. Count on hold. Okay. Include their mask. Terrain, I guess. Let's try 14 but this is the mask mean that you can combine layers together. Let's see if there's no tool on Unity. Layer mask. 32 layers, support the editor, blah 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 blah. And then layer mask. We don't have to tool the component, but pretty sure it will work if I just put 4. No, wait, no, that won't work, because the layer mask 14 in fact is the 14th bit in the number, so it doesn't work like this. Let's try it with the correct way. Layer mask generate for 1 hour. Collecting, computing, bit mining. We will have our AIs. Don't worry. Okay, new layer mask. Then layer to number. I would like to have get mask, but for the from the number. Okay, convert a layer mask value to an integer value. Convert a layer mask value to an integer value. Convert a mask. That's, I want the reverse. Number, name to layer. Okay, let's just do it like how I find it. Ah, what the? Okay. List string. Good. And now what I want is terrain. Terrain. Okay. Good. So but it lag a lot when you have so many things in your project. I hope in the next version it's going to be better. Okay.
So I was AFK for just a little bit. Could you go over what you just
Wait,
did?
you were away from the cake?
Yeah, away from cake.
Kitchen?
Kitchen, yeah.
No, I
From
mean,
cabinet.
I was trying to, so bounce, I'm using this function to generate, wait, something's missing. Result? Oh, okay, never mind. Nav mesh build markup. What's this? I don't want nav mesh build source. I need a generic list. I already have one here. Result. La, 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 la. Markups. What this is? Nav mesh build markup. Hello.
What's up, BioCryo?
Hey guys.
We will work with baking nav mesh in game today. At least trying to.
Cool, cool. See what we can come up with.
Yeah, I mean, I need that. Nav mesh build markup. Don't know what it is, but nav mesh builds. Rules. Fighting with bold. I hope we can do something today and then test it. Oh, wait. Oh, nice. Well, that release and surprise. And what is there? It's just because I tested a lot. Okay, I mean, it was just for launching it. Okay. Markup. Okay, how do you write this? Mark up. Okay, either the list don't work either. What a pain, what a pain, what a pain. What is this? What is this supposed to be? Okay. Default area. I don't know. 10? 20? 50? I don't know what this means. Render mesh. Physics colliders. Render mesh. Physics collider. Physics colliders. Okay, let's try this. I have no idea what's gonna happen. Oh la la. Probably a bunch of errors. I'm guessing. First errors, Unity crash. Again. For some reason. Oh, good. Nice, nice. Can you stop Unity? Thank you. Now add on key. Let's go. Okay, value cannot be null. Camera. Okay, I need an existing camera. Camera here. Main. Let's try again. Okay. List output on cannot be fetched dynamically. Okay. I'm supposing this. Wait, what? Okay. I'm supposing I need a variable. Graph variable. Result. Okay. Result. I'm not sure. I guess this is an output too. So I don't know what markups mean, but cannot fetch dynamically. Cannot fetch dynamically. Must be assigned. Hey. Do you hear my background? It's fine, right?
Yeah, I can hear it, but I mean,
Oh, okay. Sorry about that.
not really a big deal though. I'm actually reading through the NavMesh build settings documentation, but I'm on the wrong version.
You know,
It's
at every step of this, it can completely fail just because we use bold. Oh.
Hmm.
Like this, cannot fetch dynamically, must be assigned. I'm like, what? Oh wait, is it even coming from there? That's the question. Wait, let's check. I can do that. Yeah, it's coming from there. Damn it. What? What's this? Oh. That's another... Okay, that's the script I started the other day. Source. Oh yeah, this one looked better. Let's environment. Let's just hide this. Oh wait, no. Nav mesh. We just increased my my AI noise cancelling. There. Okay. Was that the point to make bounds? Sorry, I'm working on two scripts at the same time. Oh. Did I got no errors? For real? Nice. What about this now? Nav mesh data. Source exposed. Let's try. If only I could see it. Set object variable. Just to have it somewhere so I can click on it. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Only the gizmos was showing me the nav mesh. Sad. Bounds. Not sure it worked in fact. Off mesh link. It's all empty. Box. Nav mesh build source. Box. Okay. Let's return to the order.
There's a node that allows you to see the nav mesh that's made.
Oh.
It's called nav mesh build debug settings. Here, I'm gonna put like a link for the documentation I'm reading in the chat.
Nav mesh build setting debug.
I guess get and then there's set. So I guess like wait. Set. I'm just gonna put this for you so you can see.
Nav mesh debug. What is this? Nav mesh build debug settings. Oh, build settings. Okay, then debug.
So there's a bunch of stages when it comes to building a nav mesh. and this allows you to get you know, the data from each stage, and you can display it separately.
There, let's try this. It would be very nice to have a visual.
Yeah, there's even on the nav mesh builder, it says there's collect sources in stage. Creates a list of build sources directly from the current geometry. Okay, I'm just reading through this.
Yeah, I've seen music. Yeah. Thanks. It's gonna help me a lot. Nav mesh build debug setting. Bug. Flags. Okay. Input everything. Yay! Everything. Do you know how I can retrieve this information? Or it's gonna be like shown in game? Build setting.
Not sure. I hope it gets shown in game. It's, yeah, it does get shown in game. It's yeah, but it's possible to display in the editor the intermediate data used in the process building. So you can display it in the editor as well.
No errors, at least. I'm gonna change this for mesh, and then go away, go away, go away. Navigate resource, and source object, I guess. We will get it. We will get it. Okay, so now I need a reference. I need to quit first. Oh no. Oh phew. Okay, good. I thought it was embedded. Source. Well, this, I guess. List of colliders. Maybe. Claim. Let's try this. Get item. Get item. Okay, let's try this. Maybe it would work. I'm surprised it's that complex. I would have expected something more. I don't know.
It actually seems kind of like not that hard.
It's not. I not mean hard, but there's a lot of operation.
Yeah, there's a lot of operation
to get it to work. Okay, what does it say? Value cannot be null. Why? It's not null because index 0 sources. Guessing from mesh collider to mesh. Oh, it's mesh. Okay, got it. Weird.
So for the sources, I'm looking here. Wait.
I thought it will be colliders, but it's actually mesh. That's weird. Plane. 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 Okay. Now I understand why they want their position. Do I have something gigantic just to have an idea? Whatever this, I guess. Value cannot be null. What's null? Where? How? Can? Where? All flags. Camera. Oh yeah, the camera again. Okay. I don't see anything yet. If a checkbox is checkboxed. You did not say it was like how to say
Like
that?
a struct for the sources. It's like a collection of all the items in your scene that you have to define and pass it. And it
I
says that
give him like a mesh, just a mesh for now. And
did it work?
let's- no. I see nothing here. Look. Height map, debug, flags, agent ID. I don't see anything. Oh, right. Wait, we need an agent to build an navmesh. Navmesh data. I don't understand. Did I misunderstood something here? No, I gave an agent here. But maybe something is missing. Navmesh build setting. I put everything on the flag. Okay. Navmesh build source. Maybe something is missing. Area, components, shape, size. Do I need to set all this? That's a question.
says the navmesh build source is a list of navmesh build sources. Their shape can be one of the following: mesh, terrain, box, sphere, or capsule. Each of them is described by a navmesh build source struct. Yeah, this was what I was talking about. You can specify a build source by filling a navmesh build source struct and adding that to the list of sources that are passed to the bake function. So it shows an example here.
What's the version of Unity it's referring to?
Oh man, I'm sorry. It just changed. Now I'm at 2019. Yeah, it says the same thing as well.
Okay.
So
But
it has
I don't see the
the properties.
struct you talk about.
Well, I can. It has like a piece of code here. It says that it has a bunch of properties.
Wait,
Area,
I'm just gonna check
component.
what you sent me.
Here, I'll send this again.
Okay.
This
No,
is what
I have it now.
Just like
Oh, that was it. Okay, I
this,
really thought
and
it
then
was the built-in one.
there's the other one as well too. That I
Do I
sent.
need to switch to script? Partitioning, voxel laying, pending, Oh, Unity do not have debug visualization. They are only available during the session in which Unity is building the navmesh. Okay. The debug data is neither display or collect for navmesh that are debugged. Okay. Tower build debug. Okay. Undra Gizmo. Okay, got it. So it's Undra Gizmo, navmesh editor helpers. That's good. We need that. Oh, then it not there. Navmesh editor helpers. Okay, probably there. Hey, where are you? Oh, because that is an editor script, I guess. Wait, what? Nav. Maybe I remove Unity editor? Which package is that? It's in Unity Editor, Unity AI, Unity ADR.ai. Okay. Or that a. Okay. Don't see it. Ah, it's there. Okay. From Unity Editor. I remove Unity Editor to make sure I don't accidentally use editor scripts. Ah, sorry. Stretching. I have nothing to show you yet. It's building. So long.
Like a booger. It's funny.
Look at this one. Congrats.
Cool.
Just spoke with the blue one. Congrats. Sorry for my background. Nav mesh editor helper. Draw build. Yeah, I forgot. Draw build debug. Everyone loves flags. Oh yeah, let's choose the one with flags. Ooh, flags. Everything. Nav mesh data. Ooh, yay. Nav mesh data. Drag gizmo. Nothing. Nothing. Yay. Oh, okay, got it. Get object variable. Ooh, big nothing. Great. So now we will see the result if there is one. I would like to maybe add a more complex mesh. I don't know. Whoa! Calm down. To the object. A sphere is kind of no. Get empty. Mesh filter. Let's find a complicated mesh. That have a surface ideally. No. Oh. No. I should have an island somewhere. Oh, I know. I need my star island, whatever. Floating island. That's what I need to find. Floating island. This one. Okay. Oh, I can do that in fact. No need for the variables. source. This drugismo is always... Those are dangerous. Wait, what? I hear clicking, but everyone is mute. Ah, it's me? No? Sorry, that's gonna get me crazy. Okay, I'm gonna live with it, I guess. I hope we have something to test soon. Baloo cannot be null. What do you want? Oh, camera again. Damn it. Give me 1 sec. I will be back. I'm sorry, there's something's wrong with my PC. I hear sound, but I don't know where it's coming from.
What do you mean you hear
Yeah, I
sound?
don't know. It's like if I were in a discussion, but I don't know where it's coming from. I tried to quit this one and that's so weird. What the... What could it be? Quit Steam? OBS, quit. Quit. Oh! Is there someone in... the ward, maybe? Oh yeah, that's the troll in ward. Oh my god. That took some time to understand. Gonna mute him. There. That was so weird. Like a ghost was living in my ears. Oh my god. Okay. Did nothing. Okay, let's just turn every parameters I can on. Okay, this one is mesh. Source object. Let add like, I don't know. First of all. Oh, I can do something like... There. It's gonna build every frame. So if it worked, we will know it. Nav mesh build source. Component, we have it. Shape. No, we already have that. Nav mesh build source. Component area. I don't know, 100. There. Component mesh source. Shape. Size. That 100. I don't know what area I mean. That's weird. Any idea, Ultralord? Area. Area type. I don't know.
Can you turn your stream back on?
Oh, sorry, I forgot. Sorry. Thanks for saying. I have this nav mesh build sort area. I don't know what it is. Shape, size, source, object. Source object. I already have it. Source transform. I transform my what? A matrix? Okay, maybe not. There's component and there is object. Source object. Source component. Component. You want a component. Why? Two only component if available, otherwise null. Okay, I guess it can be null. Okay, now. Nav mesh build setting. Agent climb. Vertical step that can recline. I don't know. Then can climb everything. Nav mesh build setting. Agent radius. Agent slope. Angle in degrees. 45. There. That's yes. Still nothing. Agents type ID. The agent type ID the mesh will bake for. Okay. Mean region area. Override tile size. Override voxel. Tile size. 1. I don't know. Tile size. Voxel size. 1. If only could tell me what's wrong. The ball are still moving, by the way. Provide voxel size. Validation report. Oh! Validation report? Whoop. Okay, do we have the report? Step height should be less than agent height. Okay, got it. Tile size, step height, 1. Good. Oh, there's no other. Okay, that's that. Okay. Think. What could it be? Is it gigantic? No. Let's check the object itself. It's still all empty somehow. Is there other step to do? Nav. This is just data. Nav mesh data. Source bound, rotation, position, instantiate. No. Mesh. Size. Area. No idea what this is. Just have to make sure this object is enabled for read write thingy. Oh, floating island. Maybe it's not a good mesh. Mini island, floating island. Nothing. No errors. No suggestion. Okay. If there is nothing in the validation report, nav mesh builder. Build nav mesh data. Collect source. Okay, let's try something different. We will use collect source instead of that. Root. There's two collect source. Oh. We will need this, or the thing with layer name here. I'm so lost. Where am I? Yeah, you're complaining. I know. Render mesh, result, some kind of empty array list, I guess. Oh, copy paste this. Look at this nice console. So let's go here, then go up, go down. No, not there. There. One here and one there. Still all broken. List output cannot be fetched. Cannot be fetched dynamically. Add list item.
Usually when I see can't be fetched dynamically, it usually means that I have to set it as a variable and then call
Yeah,
that
but
variable.
I don't know what is.
I know, I
Add
didn't
list.
either.
Add list item. So maybe the list type is wrong. I will try array list instead. Because I cannot have the exact list type. So I'm just hoping a generic collection will work.
Hmm.
Ah, my god. They want nav mesh build markup. Yes, but the list version don't work. Even if I explicitly import it. Not crazy, it's there. Both are there. List nav mesh build markup, list nav mesh build source. You don't want. Maybe if I do that, update unit option. Is there a way to avoid that? Damn it. Because this is an output with missing input value for result. Oh. So this node is not compatible with Vault. Yeah, look, there is result at the end, but it's kind of a pointer or something. Oh la la. Okay, new bounds. New nav metrics markup, new nav list nav mesh builder. Collect source. Collect source in stage. Collect source in stage. What this is? Okay. What's the function? Nav mesh builder. Yeah, sometime Unity editor AI. Oh yeah, but I cannot choose that. Nav mesh data. Let's try this. Update nav mesh data. Maybe not async. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Local bounds. Sources. Can we use that, I guess? And if we can build source ourselves, it's fine if the function is broken. Source. Build setting. Wow, this gigantic thing here. Build setting. Just got an idea. Boop. Oh, no errors somehow. like that. Okay, no, never mind. Do we have something here? Nothing, of course. No errors. Here. Shape, terrain, box. Huh? That's flickering. Starting to think it either way very hard or not possible.
Oh man, don't say that. It looks. I was expecting to be a little bit easier than this, though. Honestly.
Me too. Nothing is happening. No errors, no print, nothing. I'm like, damn. Okay, it have to be one, it seems. Box has size. Oh, it can be smaller. Okay, we have a tutorial we did before. Even if it's outdated, maybe there is an information here we can use. I just need to find the Discord. I never know where to press to return to I hate Discord. Like,
To go back to the chat, if you
yes,
go to
and
the
like
art and chill.
it's fine, I just found it, but it's always a complete pain. Okay, damn it. Real-time nav mesh. Let's see what they do. I guess we can find some. They have one surface and they do build. That's all. That's all it is. And they put rotation here. But where is this coming from, in fact? Now that I think about it, it's public. So, and it's a mono behavior. So it have been... Wait, let me think. Maybe we did something wrong. No, that's not it. I have the right one. Don't see anything else. Mesh builder. Mesh builder.
Okay, man, I'm gonna go. I have to go.
Yeah, sure. I mean,
Yeah.
it looked like a complete fail, so I may switch topic just for not having another week of failure.
Thank you, man. Thanks for
Yeah, I
walking
mean,
through it.
oh my
that's-
god.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Much harder than I expected.
Starting to think creating my own nav mesh would be easier.
All right, yo. Peace out, guys. Have a great rest of
Bye.
your week.
So long,
weekend.
Ultra Lord.
Peace.
See you. I hate when things end up like this. There's so many great features in Unity. Why making this one so hard? Okay, let's take a break of this for today. We just do something more enjoyable. So, bye bye Navmesh for today. Thanks for nothing. Okay, so let's return to our funny balls, right?
Yes.
This plane here, I will just put it there so I can upload. Good. Good. This one, it's 71. Let's take it. Things wrong with my internet. 71. Oops. The real objective here is for an AI to look like it's do something, you know. At least find a target and go there. So does not really matter which technique we use, as long as it do that. One of the way I was thinking about is to maybe take a camera and make a 3D scan. But my first idea of scanning the contour was not bad in fact. All you need is contour and few other points and you have a nav mesh. I mean a navigation algorithm. Like not doing that, for example. Look, I'm so smart. Okay. So what we had here. First of all, I think the tinker is too simple. I've been thinking it would be nice to detect the wall angle, so we can follow it straight line. So maybe more balls would be good, like 4. What if I use Raycaster instead? I don't know. Let me think 1 second. Because I still think this have sense. This can be, because I don't see everyone making nav mesh and stuff. That's not very dynamic, you know.
True.
So we may need something more dynamic. Path avoidance. Stop. So smart at turning corners. So I use velocity, got it. Angular velocity, okay. And one of the thing right now, the reason why he's doing this is because he's trying to go this direction at the same time he's following the wall. So I think I will remove the go this direction if the view is obstruct or something. Not sure. I'm just trying to find the easiest way, but for the thinkers. But the best would be just follow. Let's use paint for now. Maybe we can find we need an architecture, you know. So we have thinker here. So right now we only have one collider there. So maybe I can do something more intelligent, like, I don't know, maybe something like that. We need to detect our wall angle. So if you always turn counterclockwise, clockwise, you need to follow the walls in this direction. Oh wait, just had an idea. Maybe what I need is to have only, well, I have one shape here, but I could put it one there. So if both shapes touch a wall, I don't know. It act like my vacuum right now.
How's that? Oh, I see.
And he do a as good job as my vacuum too. You know, that's why you need to put comments. I don't even remember what this do. This is the best distance. Not really interesting. Okay, pass. This was to switch direction time to time, but I don't want this anymore. It's just not working. Then the first idea was to send two tinkers, one clockwise and one counterclockwise, but they could end up in two situation blocking.
See who figures it out first. That's a cool idea.
Yeah, because if
Like,
you have a maze, you say you always follow the same walls. There's always one of the two that will be faster. So
yes,
you are better to send. Yeah.
it's like what's that on YouTube? The 2-minute papers with the AI running around. That was freaking great.
How could I follow a wall without too much I mean, okay, let's try just something very basic. First of all, I hate that. First of all, what to what? This is the best distance. I'm not sure it's even useful. Oh wait, true and false. What's this things? No, that's not useful. He's always rotating. Lol. Wait, why? Why? Is it inertia? Probably. Okay. But that's I guess maybe fine. Okay, so we don't need that. Let's simplify stuff. Good. Then the detector. Okay, true, false. Got it. Go away. True, false. Detect, do this. Don't detect, do that. Angular velocity and velocity here. What if I don't turn? Okay. Turn back. Go back. Come back. Come back.
Come on, little fella. Oh.
So it's kind of what we need, but you need to what? Yeah, some part is missing here.
It needs to like do that math really quick and then just go that direction.
I think first of all I need a raycast. Like I need to know there is an obstacle or not. Raycast, physical, raycast, origin, direction. Source, no. Sorry, I'm gonna. Yeah, sorry.
Bless you.
Ray, max distance. I don't know. There's so many options. Origin, direction, max distance. I guess. Okay. So the target is here. Raycast. Target is a transform. That's no. We need a position. What did I do? No application. I'm always changing variable by accident and like what's not? Why is it not working? Oh, sorry. It's origin is self. Burn position, please. Position, yes. Origin. Direction will be like vector 3. It's gonna be target minus actual position, and you normalize, and that's a direction. There, that's a direction. Difference, it's the normalized difference. Oh, yeah, of course. There. Max distance will be the same thing, but magnitude. Normally. So, if there is no collision, it means that Can I lock just a bull? True. Wait, what? How? Stop moving. How could it be a... Oh, because... Oh, got it. Look, it's in the ground, so... Oh, wait, and it... Will it collide with this? But it's a trigger. No, I think it's fine. Capsule collider. Damn it. So yeah, you have to ignore this one. Very cool. Okay. Max distance layer mask. There. Layer mask. Layer to name. Name to layer. Given a layer name, return the layer index. No, that's not what I want. Layer name, get mask. Good. So, list string, literal, terrain. Terrain is good for now. I think. Ideally, I would like that the ground and the wall is the front layer, but for now it's gonna be fine. Because if you have a terrain that's not flat, it could interfere, and that's not what you want. Oh yeah. Layer mask here. There. It's still true. Why? Oh yeah, I need to add vector 3 to my actual position. Why? Where's this script first? Tinker v2. Good, I'm here. I added 0.5 meters up. I said layer mask terrain. Mask max distance. It's always true somehow. Origin, direction, max distance. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Nope. Oh, is it me or there's a collider here too? Oops. My bad. Now it's false. Good. That's what I want. Look. False. True. True. False. True. False. So if there is an obstacle, it's a mode. If there is no obstacle, it's another mode. It's still a very too simplified way of thinking. Just I'm assuming it, but so my guess will be damn it. Still Daryl doesn't really help me. What a failure, this project, right? Oh my god. It's just I'm trying to make it simple, but it's always more complex. What I would like to do is just scan the fucking corner, sorry. If only I could, like, damn it. Think I really need to scan the area with some kind of scanning. One of the technique that I've kind of learned is that you draw a line like this, and then you create voxels that's growing, and no, sorry, you draw a voxel in a direction, tap, and when you touch your face, then it grow like a circle.
Okay.
So as soon as it come closer or something, it draw a line. It's the end of the most known algorithm. I think we saw it last week. The growing circle. You can have ideas. Circle. So you need to kind of create a grid. That's the point. And of course, ideally, ignore the ground. Pathfinding. That look very heavy. That's why I would like to just scan the contour and use it as a... The Tinker was not that bad too. But the problem is, if you have other obstacle with the Tinker idea, damn it, I cannot... Oh, right, it's static, got it. Move static object. There. Static objects are in fact baked. That's why. So if I have something like this, even if I scan the contour, I'm not that advanced. So the idea was to, as soon as I touch something, I scan it, then it become an object. Then I take the closest point to the target, and I start here, and then I continue.
Sure.
Go forward, touch something, scan, quit. Scan, quit. Scan, quit. So that's what I was thinking about the Tinker. So I need to surface detector and follow it, and not get stuck in corners, of course. And I could poop some dots everywhere. That will be my path. But as soon as I touch it, once it's generated, it can stay there, you know. Once it's generated.
Sure.
Or there were also the other ways of. You remember we were trying to generate it too manually. That could be a temporary solution too. That's not that bad too. So. It's an entrance. Oh yeah, the problem was that you need to build a relationship between the dots. You remember? And that was the problem. So like this one connect to this connect to this and that. And maybe with gizmos we can draw a line or maybe something. Then we remember which one have been made. Undrag gizmos is not I think that's the best solution. Because it don't need to scan. Yeah, but I mean, if you want AI on your house, deal with it, you know, I don't know. And this is the much simpler way one, you know. And okay, let's just try. What's
Sure,
this?
sure.
What is this? Don't remember. House 1. Shared mesh. Line renderer. I have a blank. What's this? Mesh collider?
What were you thinking?
Oh, I think we were trying to bake a mesh renderer.
Ah.
Trigger enter and trigger exit, don't know. So we could use the, but the problem is the path thingy is it's not really made to do that. Okay, I have an idea. Let's do it. And what's this? Trigger enter. Oh yeah, on the house. Got it. So I'm still gonna do line rendering. How do I create a line? Oh yeah. Okay, I guess I'm gonna reset it. Okay. So, well, what's that? That's but the idea was to have a visual, just for creating. You have a visualization.
Sure.
I don't know what this is. It's a line renderer. Where it is? Okay. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Got it. Subdivide. You can do that? Subdivide. Nice. Loop. My biggest problem was I cannot like have multiple lines by one. Just have an evil idea. Okay, so I'm gonna reset it. I need 0. How can I delete them? I don't know. Delete. 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 Good. So let's go. Let's do it quick. At least it's gonna be fun. Maybe. Sorry. Okay, then Evo. No, module. So tired of this. I want it to work, damn it. Where's the thinker? Why? I just want to find where is the project. Not build nav mesh. Go away. House 1. Good. It's here. Sorry. Good. No. No. Ah! I click everywhere all the time. Sorry, I start to be confused. Okay. No. New. What we call it? Boy system, whatever, don't care, whatever. Okay, so look at this. Land renderer, don't care. Targets. List of game object. Good. So how can I assign them? How can I put this here? Can lock it, I guess. So this one is a target, and this one too. Good, we have two. Great. Let's continue. Gizmo. I want to draw lines. Not very complicated. For each loop of this item in this list, to draw line. What? Debug? Okay, why not? Body, draw line between me and you. Transform, position, get, start, between you and me. Item, it's a game object, transform, game object, dot, transform, dot, position. No, doesn't work like this. There. Cool. You see my point here?
Yes.
I hate the Dragismo thingy, but oh wait. On Dragismo select. That could be better. So if I unselect it, good. I mean, so now I have to copy. You know what? I'm just gonna delete everything and redo it. It's annoying. Branch. If size is bigger than whatever, who care? True. Found. Item.
I'll be back in just a second.
Greater than 0. Stop complaining. Oh, right. And not null, of course. That was the problem. Null check. Here. Body. Dragismos. Null check. There. Ta-da! Okay. Then I select one. Copy paste. Put here. Then lock this one. Lock. Click here. Drag and drop. That don't work. Why? Oh, because it's not select. Good. Click here. Drag and drop. It'd be nice that it detect that the other one have himself in reference. That can be done. That could be done. I could always create a tool in the future. You know, here in my evil tool, I could always create one to make this simpler, but unlock and lock. This one here. Not too bad, right? Oh, you know, I'm gonna make some automation for each loop. Damn it. So when I get a game object, targets,
Can your point of entrance move towards the target?
why, sorry, why would the point of interest move?
Towards the targets.
Oh, you mean the targets, can it move?
Can your point of interest, the other ones that you have, move towards wherever the target is moving to? You know.
I don't understand why it will move.
Because if the point of interest move towards the target, you could do like I guess,
Yes.
an if kind of like a if statement, and the point of interest would actually like help guide you to where the target is. Like you could have 3 point of interests that go towards the target, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if one of them hit the target, then it moves your character in a different direction depending on which one hits it. You know, it may be more complicated. It's just an idea.
I'm not sure where I was going with this, but by having a hierarchy of every possible path like this, you know, the idea was that I absolutely know that I can reach the target by asking everyone, you know, a camouflage. I need to make sure there's no dead loop, you know. I'm asking him and asking that, like, ask, you know. That's dangerous.
Yeah, both
I'm
ways
not
seem
there yet.
a little dangerous.
Yeah, it's dangerous. 1 sec. Wait. Okay, I'm sorry. I was just trying to save time by... Oh. What's this music is? Okay. Game object dot... No. Get object variable... Contain. That's what I want to do. Contain. What? It was game object, right? Okay, so this here, it's just for adding myself to the others. If I'm not already there. Branch. false, on false. I'm gonna add myself to them. Targets, collection, add item, and it's gonna be self. Wish me luck. This can add an object if it's not correct. If it's false. Wow, it's flicker so much. Okay. Oh, okay, as soon as I select them, they okay, got it. So now I just need to add them once and not twice. This. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Going too fast.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Going too fast. Oh, nice. Got it. So starting to look like something. It could also be generated automatically just by checking if the recasting is recasting. Okay. So next. Oh yeah, I need a relation between those two. I know there is missing relation, but it's fine. It's gonna work. Oh. Damn it. Go there. Oh. Let's make no damn each other. I could do like okay, so what I want to do here is to do a list of every path. So either way, if it's from this to there or there to there, it's one path. So I'm gonna generate a list of those. Then something like that. Like I said, if I do it, if I don't think about it, I'm just gonna have loops in calculation. What do that refers to? Which one is the closest to this one? Here. Which one is the closest to this? There. Which one is the closest to this one? Here. Which one is the closest to this one? That and this. And you always avoid doing back. So there will be temporary target. There. Okay. Doesn't seem to lag even with the gizmos dry. So, Tinker. Not sure about this. If it's even useful. Okay. You can do so much thing without being in play mode. But then I don't want to lose this and go away. Wait, where are you? Good. Somehow this is good. Get it. What's happening? It changed the coordinate but it don't move. Oh. Okay. Okay, no, I don't understand. Oh, right. My bad. I'm stupid. Okay, now it's fine. Makes sense. Okay, so I can keep this logic, even if it makes no sense, but make it made a decision first. So with the network of thinkers. Why are you laughing? Oh my god. Okay, so variables. Oh, right. They were supposed to have some kind of... Yeah, okay. Point of interest list. Do you have a lot of background noise?
Yeah, that's a fair amount behind you.
Fair amount to mean...
I can hear that somebody is talking frequently, but I'm not able to discern what they are saying.
I'm sorry about that. Special exception today.
No problem. I only mentioned it because you were asking.
Thank you. I know, I mean, I have to ask because I just learned this week that there was a mistake in my word entrance misspelling. No one never told me.
Oh no.
Like, welcome with 2L.
Oh.
I'm sure people get in and like, oh, welcome with 2L. I'm out of here.
What am I going to learn from this? I've always been a notoriously bad speller, and I love working with everybody from around the world because they just assume that English isn't my first language.
Oh, really? It's not?
Oh, it is.
Hello,
I just can't spell.
Oh, good. That's fine because I'm not sure which one I'm the worst, French or English to spell. Hello, Wilson. As you can see, I'm still trying to make this work.
Hello. What are we doing
now
here?
I'm trying to I'm continuing my copy component. Sorry, I'm continuing my. Sorry, let me just finish that. I cannot think and talk. Okay, so remember I was trying to make... They are laughing at me behind me. What was I saying, David? So they are... I hate you. Okay. Yeah, sorry, it's the path-finding algorithm. We tried to make navmesh. It was a complete waste of time. I'm not sure if I will find... I mean, it just don't feel easy to do. So I returned to my old technique of point of interest, like this, and I link them together. Now they are linked. I just need to find the best path, or at least one path That will be already good. Yeah. Go. Let's go. Let's go. My problem is I need to have access to all this informations. On trigger enter. I cannot reference this right now because it's gonna be deleted in game. You can have a reference that not is in your if an object is not your parent or your child, you cannot really reference it or something like that. Game object. As object variable. Variable is called point of interest. You need to steal that too. So it would just be easier to remove this, to just move everything there. Never mind the list. Okay. Oh no, I cannot do on trigger enter. How can I give them to him? Because on trigger enter work for the trigger itself. Not sure if it worked for the... Oh, never mind, never mind. It's gonna work too. Because the on trigger enter. Enter. Okay, I'm gonna cheat a little. Okay, let's cheat, okay?
Not for cheating.
We're not allowed to cheat. Need to be good boys.
Shh. You hear nothing, Wilson.
Okay.
I'm gonna cheat, okay? It's just very. Oh, damn it. Damn it. The target won't work. Ah, what a pain, what a pain. Wait, 1 second, something is wrong. He's still trying to find the target, but the reference should have been deleted since the target is there. I'm very sorry. Boys. This game object. No. Game object. There, problem solved. Go away. Wait, what? Oh my god. Ah! Why? Good, thank you. It's funny, I get the game object variable to get his game object variable. Whatever. I want to do it very dumb, okay? Let's try it. Oh, and I'm gonna cheat too by adding the target to it, just for cheating, you know. Oh no, he got bored. He's gone. Can we clone a list?
Alone a list?
I want to clone it. Copy.
Can you just set another list to the values
No,
of that list?
because having a code, yeah, it's weird, but I guess can do this and just create a new list, whatever name list, whatever. Add, no. There's so many type of lists, that's confusing. Hello.
I'm back. Sorry, guys.
Fine. I thought you were bored. I will not have
Somebody else
I
tried
mean,
to hang up on this one, so I didn't have a conversation on live. You know, one-sided conversations never good. Has anybody tried out the web worlds?
no, Ultralord was working on it, but
No, I haven't checked it out either. I'm looking forward to it though.
What exactly do we need to do from our side to implement?
I don't know.
I went onto one of the web parcels just to see logging in wise if it was like an access point from there. Didn't see anything different, so
Interesting.
I'm not sure exactly what we need to do or how we integrate. It might be through the actual standard builder you go into that side, but who knows? I've not played enough yet.
But what can we do exactly?
It's meant to be the integration of like HTTP kind of websites that you can integrate GLBs and other parts into that part.
Can we call
like
and stuff?
Yeah, it's
Yes.
like WebJS kind of stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, what is it called again? It's I keep wanting to say paperspace, but it's not paperspace. It's
Play Canvas.
Play
Yeah.
Canvas, yes.
Paperspace. Play Canvas. Very simple. So we're using an integration of their SDK. Well, they're calling it an SDK. It's their web access portal kind of thing, and allowing people to integrate. When I was playing with them, there was GLTFs that they were trying to convert everything over to. So I honestly don't know enough, and I'm looking forward to seeing what everybody else comes up with.
I'm gonna check if I can integrate Incredible Words software there maybe, but I'm already packed with dev, you know.
I know, no kidding.
I don't think it's a good idea to spread more. I'm already too spread. Okay, so I create my list here and
it really expands what people can do with their standard plot though. It allows them to take a plot and make it larger. Obviously in that play space. And then if they've got more skills to code and do other parts, they can make games and integrate other features.
But it has to be coded in JavaScript, right?
It's similar to JavaScript, but it's more like a drag and drop kind of system that they've integrated.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Node-RED, maybe?
I would be lying if I knew it.
Let's check very fast. But
the comments from the announcements today said they had integrated within our builder. So
Huh. Oh,
I'm
you
not
know what? I haven't started up our builder. Let me see if there's anything in there.
not sure if we've added like spots that is drag and droppy. So it'd be nice if it was like that. It might be like a login point from our builder as well that you can click to launch and it launches.
I guess I'm gonna check that later. It could be interesting to load one space in web, but we don't support GLB yet. The guy did not. I asked a guy. I bought the add-on to import GLB from
Yeah.
GLB Word, but the guy did not respond to me yet. Because I need an older version. I need to say, if you want the older version, contact us and blah blah blah. And
we're going to be upgrading to 2020 soon, no way. So
yeah, but soon that will be very hard. I don't know when, but that's the same problem. Oh yeah, you're right. They will update this library too. That's true.
Yeah.
So maybe, but I don't know. It could take months before we see the 2020 work. You know.
Arthur was hoping by the end of the year.
Yeah, but that's a big job.
It is.
It's funny because we will switch to 2020 and they are already working on 2023.
Yeah, I know.
It's hard to keep up, right?
The numbers mean nothing though, don't they?
I mean, yeah, it means something because the support is normally 2 years. You know what I mean?
Oh, so they only back support 2 years.
Yeah, I guess that's the limit of their budget or something.
It's still better than going back to 2019 that we're on right now.
Yes. Especially in the terms of VR, so much has changed since that build.
Yeah.
They will remove Steam VR. There's a lot of change they are making. I'm not sure if Somnium 3.0 and that is the same thing. Oh, distance. I have a... Oh, yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Distance.
Did I disconnect from you when I went on to
Oh.
that?
I think so.
Because I came back, I pressed mute and then answered a different call, and I don't unmute, so I wasn't sure if I was talking or not. I don't know. Did you hear me talk?
No. Did you hear me talk?
No, couldn't hear you.
I was hearing people talking later, sooner. I did not know where it was coming from. And so... Okay. Okay. If... Oh, sorry. The best distance will be bunch of 9s. Greater. So my idea was to get the closest one, then I delete from the list, then I get the closest one to the previous one, delete, closest, delete, closest, and then I will get to the it will get very fast to me, or something like that. Maybe.
So it looks for the closest cylinder.
It's not gonna take it's not gonna be the best path. It's just gonna be a path that will take the. I mean, I just have to take a choice at some point.
Sorry, I can't hear anybody anymore.
I was not talking.
Ah.
They
So
weren't talking. No one was talking.
was this an idea that you had to try and make a bit like the nav mesh idea?
Yeah. It's not very far from a real solution, by the way.
Could you not turn those balls into squares and make them longer and say find edge, go to the other side of the edge, and then that's
The balls will be invisible. They are just targets. The idea is to have the possible path of this specific building here. You know, imagine this is a building. You will have all the path to go around and go enter and quit. So if you need to go anywhere around or inside, you always have a ball like this that's not blocked by something. That's the point. So with recast, you can find I don't know, the one of the balls. Then you start your path here, you follow, blah blah blah, and then you continue. Something like that, maybe.
So it's a bit like you're plotting out paths for the ball to be able to go along, and each ball is a place of interest. Is that right?
Yeah,
Right. So you're basically making a nav mesh.
exactly. A very simple nav mesh.
Yeah.
But it's not a nav mesh. It's a navigation data. No.
Yeah.
Whatever.
If you turn the circles into squares and lay them
Yeah,
out on
but
the floor,
they will be invisible.
yeah.
And it's just the
the same
position
color.
that I'm just getting the position, and the line here are reference I've put manually, but I would like to have an automatic way soon. It can.
Could you not? You could turn them into single points, though, couldn't you? You could make them. You could make them a single point rather than having a big ball.
Oh, they will be invisible. Don't worry.
Yeah.
It's just for helping me develop. Okay, so if the distance is greater less, then we have the closest from the I think the first one will be closest to the target, then the next one will be closest to me, or me, closest to me, closest to me. Yeah, let's do that. So, okay, this distance, yes, then you will set the new distance and the new target. Closest. Okay. And all this will be unknown. Per unit. This will be to get the closest no, wait, yes. No, sorry. Input. Value input called output. Object list. PDSCAM object. Good. And prompt? I don't know. I want to write target, but that's confusing. Object 1. Whatever. Game object. Good. This one can be a No. Yeah, distance between target, transform. Then the output will be the game object. That's the closest. Game object, and I don't know the distance. Maybe. Probably. Good. Oops. Here. It's a loop. Closest distance. Closest object. So now I don't need to, I can reuse this node. If it work. Ta-ta. Graph. Good.
So Tenebro is going to take the player's position every time it's choosing the next sphere. So it's going to look for the closest sphere towards you each time.
The first one will be closest sphere toward the target. Then it's gonna be the next one are gonna be the closest from me.
So it asks for player position every time it reaches one of these spheres to see which one's closer each point. Like I'm just thinking that you're moving.
Every time I will do that, I will delete the last one from the list. So
but what if the player moves back towards that side? Then it's not got a choice to go back that way.
This is just to find a path. So if I got the closest one to this one, it's not the best path. It's just a path. I just don't want to implement the best path algorithm yet. So you will get the out. In fact, you need the exit. So it's gonna be the closest to the target. Then I need then trans. And trans can be get later. So closest from the exit. Then without this one, oh yeah, closest to me. Then this closest. Yeah. Not sure.
I'm just thinking like a player's gonna keep moving about, so you would have to
but the player will follow
position.
the you need to find the path before moving. See what I mean? I could also randomly calculate path and then just get the best one or something like that.
Is this are you making this for enemy bots, or I'm trying to think what you're going to be using it for.
Oh, this technique, if you put the point of interest on any build at the right place, as soon as you get close to it, you will be able to move yourself in the environment without getting stuck. That's the idea. You see? It's by knowing the point of interest. Because if I go in this corner here, and then I want to go outside, the only way is to find the first ball that is in my view. Then I know that if I found a ball, I can go outside. That's the thing. So first ball that's not blocked by something. That's the thing. I found the first ball that's not blocked by something. Yeah. Something like that.
I thought you were making a automatic bot kind of pathfinder kind of thing.
Yeah. But that's not. I'm just. I'm not there yet. It's gonna be an automatic pathfinder, but to go outside from the inside, you need to know what are the point of interest that are the path. Then there is algorithms to find the best path as fast as possible. But we don't have that much point of interest, so it's not gonna be heavy, even if it's not the best algorithm. So I'm not very scared. Let's look at this. Whoops.
What's all those reds?
Okay, for each. What's happening with this list? Body, fill the list, then put the list here. What's happening? You don't want to scan the scene, you don't want to scan it. Somehow. Yeah, list, game object. I can just put list too. Something. Oh yeah, good. Okay, did not like what I was giving him. Point 15 is the glow. Whoa, that's not good. Damn it. Okay, so yeah, there is a missing step. So it's fun, it's very nice to have the closest, but that's not good. What you need first is the same thing, but you need the closest that is recasting. You see? So we need this here. So I'm gonna duplicate this here. Recast. I think I'm gonna end the stream here. It's very heavy and I really want to finish this and then we can make some crazy AI. I don't think that's very hard to do for anyone. If I need, I'm gonna make a tool or whatever, but until we have better thing, I think it's gonna be very nice. Yeah, I guess, I hope. But there's a lot of things I need to think. Need to make notes for recasting closest and closest with the path system too. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching the stream. I'm sorry for being so technical, but that's how it is. So where's my... Okay, that's not it. Sorry, I'm trying to close the stream. Where's my mouse now? Okay. Have a good
One cat. Let's say goodbye to everybody. Goodbye. Remember to like and share.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching.